Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. Daily English, the place where learning English becomes simple, fun, and part of your daily life. I'm Emma, and I'm so happy you're here today. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share it with anyone learning English. Your support helps our channel grow and helps more people learn with us. Thank you. Today's topic, tell me about yourself. This is one of the most common and important questions in English. People ask it in a new class, a new job, a meeting, a party, online introductions, even when making new friends. Many students feel nervous and don't know what to say. But don't worry. Today, I'll teach you exactly how to answer this question naturally, confidently, and clearly. And the best part? We'll use simple sentences, useful vocabulary, and real examples you can use anytime. Are you ready? Let's begin. 1. Start with your name. Always keep it simple. Examples. Hello, my name is Emma. My name is Emma. Nice to meet you. Tip. Short sentences are easier to remember. Now you try. Say, my name is. 2. Where are you from? This is usually the next question. Simple examples. I am from United States. I am from Germany. You can make it more natural by adding, I am originally from, I live in now. Example. I am from the United Kingdom, but now I live in a big city. Pronunciation tip. Originally, originally. 3. Where do you live? Talk about your home or city. Examples. I live in a small town. I live in a big city. I live in an apartment. Example. I live in a small apartment. It is quiet and comfortable. 4. Your age, optional. You don't have to share your age, but if you want, I am 22 years old. I'm in my 20s, meaning 20 to 29. Example, I am 27 years old. 5. Your job or daily activity. People like to know what you do. Examples, I am a student. I work in a bank. I run a small business. Example, I am an English trainer and your friend here on Mr. Daily English. 6. Your family, optional. Sharing about family makes your introduction warm. Examples, I have one brother. I live with my parents. Example, I have one younger brother. He loves music. 7. Pets, optional. Talking about pets adds personality. Examples, I have a dog. I have a cat. Example, I have a small white cat named Snowy. She sleeps all day. 8. Your likes and favorites. This shows your personality. Examples, my favorite food is pasta. My favorite color is blue. I love comedy movies. Example, my favorite food is sushi, and my favorite color is yellow because it feels bright and happy. 9. Your hobbies. Talk about what you enjoy doing. Examples: I like reading books. I enjoy painting. I like traveling. Example: in my free time, I enjoy painting, reading, and learning new languages. 10. Something you don't like. Optional. This helps people understand you better. Examples: I don't like waking up early. I don't like crowded places. Example: I don't like very loud noises. They make me uncomfortable. 11. Combine everything together. Here's a full example. Hello, my name is Emma. I am from the United Kingdom and I live in a big city. I am 27 years old. I am an English trainer and I teach learners from around the world. I have one younger brother and I also have a small white cat named Snowy. My favorite food is sushi and my favorite color is yellow. In my free time, I enjoy painting, reading, and learning new things. I don't like very loud places. And I'm very happy to be here on Mr. Daily English with all of you. Tip: friendly, clear, and natural. 12. Tips to make your introduction better. Keep it simple. Use easy words. Smile. A smile makes your introduction warm. Share only important info. Choose what fits the situation. 13. Mini practice quiz. Question 1. How do you say your name? A. I name Emma. B. My name is Emma. C. Name Emma. Question 2. Which sentence is natural? A. I am living in United States. B. I live in United States. C. I United States live. Question 3. Choose a correct hobby sentence. A. I like play football. B. I like playing football. C. I football like playing. 14. Task for you. Comment below. Now it's your turn. In the comments, write 2 to 4 simple sentences. My name is. I am from. My favorite food is. I like. I read every comment and I'm excited to learn about you. Number 15. Outro. Thank you for watching today's lesson on Mr. Daily English. I hope it helped you feel confident speaking about yourself. If you enjoyed this lesson, please subscribe, like, share, comment. Your support means so much to me. I'll see you in the next lesson, where we'll learn how to talk about your hobbies in more detail. Stay happy, stay confident, and keep practicing English every day. Remember, every small step you take brings you closer to speaking English fluently. Believe in yourself and enjoy the journey. Don't worry about mistakes. They are part of learning. Keep speaking, keep trying, and you will improve every day. Learning English is fun when you practice a little every day. Keep smiling, stay curious, and never give up. Remember, every effort you make today brings you closer to your goal. Goodbye, everyone. This is Emma from Mr. Daily English. Take care.